Hello everybody. This is just a quick tutorial for logging into and navigating MobyMax, which is what I will be using to support my students academically and also looking at working on their IEP goals. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to www.mobymax.com. Should look like this. You can open this up on any computer browser. You can also use Safari on an iPhone, iPad. Google will work with this as well on any tablet device or phone. You want to click here where the orange sign in button, which will take you to this screen. You just want to make sure that as a student, that tab is what's selected. It should default to it, but just in case, you want to make sure that you've got that tab. Next, we're going to enter our school code. Our school code for Murrieta Elementary is CA6251. Next, you're going to click the green Go button, which should take you to this. You'll notice here it says Murrieta Elementary. If it does not say that, click the Change School button, and that will take you back. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to enter our username and password. Now, this is where it does get a little bit trickier because depending on your student's grade level, their password will be slightly different. Now, all of their usernames are going to start with 9560 followed by 5 digits. Typically, the students will refer to that number as their lunch number. It's also the same number that they use to log into any computer program on campus. So the password will vary depending on the grade level of the student. In this case, my first name is Robert. So if I was a TK student, I would go here. I would type my first name, all lowercase, and a 0. This is for TK and kindergarten. First grade would be all lowercase first name and a 1 after it. Again, looking at all lowercase there. It's very important to note also that this is the student's legal name as it is listed in our school directory. So if they have a nickname, obviously it wouldn't be that, it would be their legal name. For our second grade students, their password is slightly different. It is a capital M followed by VUSD, which is all lowercase, and the month and day of their birth with an exclamation point at the end. So for example, my birthday is March the 7th, so my password would be capital M VUSD 0307 with an exclamation point. Next, you're going to click the sign in button, which for most students will take you to this screen. This is the second tab there. This is the assignments tab. So if I have assigned anything to the student, it will show up there. For some of the students that may not have direct services with me, they will actually open up to the first page here, which is just a listing of all the different programs and tabs that are available for this student. Now, every student's login page will look slightly different for this screen because I will disable some of the tabs that are just not age appropriate or not something that I'm ready for that student to work on, or just to kind of keep down the number of things to keep it from being too overwhelming with them. They also have the opportunity to play some games. If you look here, it's the tab with the 2 balloons, and they actually have to earn time on these games. So they can also earn certificates and badges and everything else as they're going along. So it's an opportunity to give them some good motivation to work on these things independently and earn that extra time for those games and badges. The final tab here is something that I will have disabled most of the programs in there. Every once in a while something may show up in there, but it will be very infrequently that the students will see anything there. Anyway, as we go through, if you have any questions, feel free to shoot me an email and I'll be happy to help out. You guys have a great day. Thank you.